we going for this flag right here? Chris! Richard, which flag? Richard, which flag? Oh, all of them? Chris, stop right there. Can you get on me? Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. All right, he's right around here, hang on. I got one right here, I'm literally pumping you. Oh, hit, he got me too. He got me too. Go bigger mag right here.
Is that our guy on the tower?
I don't know. I mean, he should have shot me if it wasn't. Up on the tower. That's not our friendly. Hit! God damn it. Hang on. Yes. Hang on.
I got a straight shot. I got a straight shot from that building.
I've hit him already. There's more than one there.
I got a straight shot from this building straight to that flag. Can you tell your buddy when I run to put everything he has into there?
Yeah.
And everybody just freaking shoot.
Okay.
I want to sprint across and try to get it.
All right, I'm gonna go with you and just shoot while you run.
I made my gun here.
All right. Gunny! Gunny! Go. Oh, he's going. He's going.
Oh, there's the flag.
Drop it!
Drop it!
Don't go, Gunny.
All right, where's the other one?
Yeah, baby!
Okay.
Richard! Bring his gun!
Come to me. The problem is, that other flag, there's a flag and then there's a guy shooting right at me from the flag.
We can go up here and take him out.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're going to have to move up.
All right.
Where's your guy? The angle of the flag is to keep up in that corner so we can't sprint at it.
I don't know how far they can go wide.
I don't either.
Or can't, I'm assuming we can't go over the ravine.
We got to push to the side so we can shoot up at him. Yeah. So we can sprint straight across to get the flag.
Go where? Up?
We got to move across.
Yeah.
If we can sprint across the field to the flag, we can't. That means you're not running into the BBs. You're running inside. We got to move down this hallway.
Down this way or up?
Probably down. I don't want to go up.
We can. I'll go up. I'll go up, and you guys go low.
You go up.
I can call him out. I can call him out.
You're gonna get shot.
I know. Give me some coverage, bro.
Oh, there's a flag right there. No, that's not it. Never mind.
He's behind the spool.
Spool. Oh, okay, over there.
He's out right now.
We're going up. We're going up. Going up. Going up. I'm up. I'm up. You hit?
Nope.
Yeah. We got one up here. Oh, you good? What'd you say? Hit, hit. All right. Hit, 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 hit. No, we got one right here.
Holy shit.
Flag right there. Huh?
Oh, fuck, really?
Another flag right here, Richard. Game, 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 game.